today I'm here and I am just in Bloxburg. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs. Wait, there's a kid on a bike. That's weird. That's weird. Oh, he's there. Hello.
Hi, can you adopt me?
Okay, come inside. See your room. Come and see your
Where's
room.
my room?
This is your room over here. Let me open it. There we go. Just a little tight.
Wow, you have a little desk here. It's amazing. I love doing my hair.
Yeah, looks like you do. So, yeah, do you like it?
I love it.
Okay, so it's,
I just went to bed.
I'm gonna go down and make some breakfast. I'm gonna go down and make some breakfast.
Okay. Am I allowed to go in your bedroom?
Yeah, if you want. I'm gonna...
Oh, you have a game thing. I'm going to use that.
Yep, you can if you want. I'll make you some this. Make you this.
Come into the bathroom downstairs. I'm having a shower.
There's a bathroom upstairs if you didn't know that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's fine. At least you know now. It's in between your room and my room. You see that other door in your bedroom? That's the door to...
Oh, that leads to that?
Yeah, did you think that was like...
Okay, I just thought it because I didn't know what was in there.
Okay.
Oh, you've got pancakes and hamburgers and pizza.
Yes, I do.
Coffee in the fridge. That's exciting. Oh, sit. Can I have some bacon and eggs?
Yes. I'll put your food right there. I'm just going to put plates of the food all around the table. There we go. And then I'm just going to... Wait. Don't eat all of them because I'm also a bit hungry. Okay, there we go.
I'm just going to eat two.
Yeah, I'm eating this one too. Yummy. Okay. Do you want any drinks like water?
Let's put the rest in the fridge.
I'm going to get... Do you want water or milk? Orange juice, banana?
Water, please.
Okay. The water is on the table. Okay. Today I'm gonna bring you somewhere. Do you know how to ride a bike?
Yeah, I know how to ride a bike.
Okay, good, because you're gonna be riding a bike today. Let's go.
I drove my bike here, which means I know.
Oh yeah. I thought you could have used my bike. Come with me. Whee.
Can you wait up for me?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Ah, we're at the beach. Do you want to build sandcastles? Look.
Hey, Mommy, I'm going to build a sandcastle too. What's
Yeah.
this?
My sandcastles! Okay, you can make a sandcastle now.
My sandcastle's way better than yours, Mommy.
They
You
look,
are not good at making sandcastles.
they're both the same. Change into your swim outfit if you're going to hop in the pool, or the ocean, I mean. I'm just going to sit down in the water. Ah, really refreshing.
Then my swim outfit, it may look really odd. It may look like my regular clothing, but it is tall.
Did you... Oh, that's fine. Should we head home now to make you lunch? We should... Where do you want to go for lunch?
Yeah.
Do you want to go home or do you want to go somewhere else?
Let's go home, and then once we're at home, we can get changed back into our other clothes.
Oh, I've already...
Then go out somewhere.
You can
Then
go...
we can get out, then we can go out somewhere.
Okay, we'll go out somewhere for dinner. first I'm gonna take some ice. But first I'm gonna take some ice cream home for dessert today. What kind of ice cream would you like? I'm having chocolate.
What ice cream do they have?
Chocolate ice cream, vanilla, or strawberry?
I'll have chocolate, please.
Okay, 2 chocolates. It's gonna be hard to ride a bike with 2 ice creams on my lap, but okay. So I think he's gonna get home before me. See you when I'm back to my house. Let's go. Okay, so I just made it back home. He's already here. Okay, come on inside. Ooh. Oh, cool. The people that were going to get the sink came. People that were going to get the sink for us. We should wash our hands from after being at the beach. And I was running it dirty. Right. Okay.
Mommy.
Yes?
Where's the ice cream?
Oh, no, I must have dropped it. I'll go back there tonight. Must have dropped it accidentally.
Oh, that's unfortunate. I thought that was going to happen.
Yeah, it was on my leg. So maybe next time I'll use the skateboard. Okay, I'm back in my clothes. What do you want for dinner?
What am I going to have for work?
The furthest thing I can make is hamburgers. Or we can look in the
Look at the food in the fridge.
Or we could have pizza,
Look in the fridge. You're
spaghetti.
looking in the fridge, which means I can't see in the fridge.
Wait, I'm just looking. Hot dogs, hamburgers. Okay, whatever.
I love hamburgers, please, Mama. Hamburgers.
Okay. Here you go. I'm just gonna have 2 and then the rest are for you. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go to the ice cream place and get the ice creams. I'll be right back. You stay here. I just got home from the ice cream and okay. Are you ready to eat it? No. Okay,
This is so good.
Time to get ready for bed.
I'm gonna see if do I have school tomorrow or am I working in the cafe?
Yeah, you can work in the cafe with me. Go. Okay. So time to get ready for bed.
Time to bed now, Mama.
Change into your pajamas. I'll put you in bed in a second. Okay, I'm going to change, and he better be in bed by that time. So you change into my PJs, and I really like the color blue, but right now I'm really tired. I'm going to have to quickly play a bit of this game, because I really like it. Okay, I need to quickly go downstairs to turn all the lights off. Wait, first I'm going to... I need to make some... I'll do that later. Come on, what are you doing in this? Time for bed. Time for bed. I'm just going to take a quick shower.
How long have you been filming for?
Okay, so it's time to go and see if he's in bed. He better be in bed. Oh, good. Good night.
Night, Mom.
Should wake up at 6. There we go. Okay, to set the alarm. I'm not going to go to bed right now because I have to quickly do something downstairs. Okay. It's so dark. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Hit that like button and please subscribe, and see you all next time. Bye!